Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we shall look at the autelbc.com product review. Alright, for those who don't know the autelbc.com, these people claim to be an investment website whereby you invest your money and then make profits from them. Okay, so for this case we shall looking at a review on their website to see whether it's a scam or it's legit. So guys, for this case you can't access their website because it's not yet validated. So it's more like they remove their website and you can't be accessing it right now. So for this case, we shall use Scam Finder to see whether it's legit or it isn't legit. All right. So before all that, if you go to Google over here, these are some of the images posted by people to see how Autel really looks like. So at the homepage of the application or at the homepage of the website over here, it will look like this, and this is more like the small interface of this. All right, so coming back to the scamfinder.com, so we shall be reviewing this website. All right, so right now you are going to scroll down over here and see its positive aspects and negative aspects. Kicking off with this, they say, why is the trust score of autelbc.com strongly low? So guys, this is the first red flag. The trust score of this website is strongly low. This is a high-risk website because of the following reasons. First of all, the domain age over here, the domain age was registered 8 days ago. So that's really a short period. You can't really trust such a website. Moving ahead, the domain whois is also really not registered and it's even hidden. As you can see, information about it is hidden. This is another red flag. Moving ahead, the SSL certificate is also not issued by Google Trust Services. Okay, their SSL certificate isn't issued by Google Trust Services. So this is another red flag. So there are many red flags about this website. Summarizing them, if you look at the positive aspects, there is no positive aspects on this website. And the negative aspects, they're quite many. First of all, website content is not accessible right now. And then there is low review rate by the AI. Second, then the domain is just new 8 days ago. This is very risky. Then the whois data is also hidden. So it's not yet public. This means these guys are hiding something. So for my case, I wouldn't advise you to join such an investment plan because it will be a scam. And my conclusion is that this website is a scam and don't really join it for your own safety. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.